HyperSound is a breakthrough audio experience offering directionality and a third dimension to sound. When you're finished with this guide, you'll be able to experience HyperSound yourself. Enjoy.
Items included: HSS 3000 emitters, amplifier and subwoofer combo box, AC/DC power supply, red and black speaker wires, 3.5mm stereo plug to dual RCA jack cable. The standard HSS configuration includes the HSS amplifier. The subwoofer is optional and may not be required in most digital signage solutions. Before making audio connections, we must mount the optional stands to the emitters. Having these installed is an important part of the user experience. Begin by aligning the holes on the stands with the holes on the emitter and place the screws in those holes. Screw in the screws snugly, and once screwed in, place the screw covers over each one. Press down firmly to get a good fit. Repeat on the other side. Connection instructions. Note, it is strongly recommended that all connections be made with the HSS unit unplugged from the power source. Connect the one end of the red and black speaker wires to the back of each emitter and the other end to the back of the amplifier. You will find connectors for left and right speakers. Use the 3.5mm stereo plug to dual RCA jack adapter. Connect the red and white RCA connectors to the back of the amplifier. Make sure that the AC cord is properly plugged into the AC/DC power supply before plugging the DC jack into the HSS amplifier unit. Plug the AC plug into a properly grounded AC outlet. The status LED indicator on the AC plug will display green, indicating the HSS unit is on and functioning. There is no power switch on the HSS unit. The HSS unit will automatically turn on if the AC/DC power supply is on. Connect your audio source, such as an MP3 player, iPhone, or iPad, to the 3.5mm audio jack. Input impedance 10,000 ohms. Note, to prevent any static, please make sure the audio source cable is separated and not wrapped around the speaker wires. Please allow 5 minutes for the HSS unit to fully warm up to obtain full output sound pressure. To facilitate this warm-up, your audio source should be connected to the HSS unit.
Thank you for completing your HyperSound system setup. If you have any questions or require further information, please contact us directly.
HyperSound Pro Audio Solutions is a new generation of audio technology that is changing the way brands think about in-store media. Our solutions offer the unique ability to create customized audio zones that are proven to increase sales and dwell time across a broad range of consumers. HyperSound Pro Audio beams audio to intended individuals, enables multiple audio zones, creates immersive, engaging experiences, improves advertising effectiveness. HyperSound technology is a disruptive audio innovation that is highly directional and can drive immersive audio experiences where you want them. Like a flashlight controls a ray of light, HyperSound Pro Audio directs sound in a narrow beam and confines it to a specific location, creating a precise audio zone. When you enter the beam, you hear incredibly immersive sound. Once you step out of the beam, the sound is barely audible. To demonstrate this, a HyperSound speaker is mounted onto a tripod, which allows us to adjust the trajectory of the audio in an empty room. The room also includes this roving camera, which has been coupled with a decibel meter. Now, while the camera is anywhere in the room but not directly in the speaker's path, the reader measures the environment at 50 decibels, which is equivalent to a quiet living room. But as soon as it passes within the narrow field of the speaker, the output climbs and hits over 100 decibels, which is the same as a lawnmower, even from the other side of the room. A combination of exceptional control over the placement of audio And the immersive quality of sound makes HyperSound Pro Audio a disruptive innovation that has the potential to change commercial and consumer markets. There are limitless applications for zoned audio, including in these environments, HyperSound Pro could contribute to improved customer engagement and lead to increased sales and shopping frequencies.